Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. So, this is my stock recommendation for this week. But first, last week, all share index fell by 0.09%. The stock market closed bearish for the second consecutive time, you know, last week. And this time, the sell-off were in the banking sector, especially tier 1 banks. However, there are still some promising stocks to still buy this week. So, yeah, the promising stocks, to buy this week. Like we always do, we start from the banking stocks. Number one on my list is FCMB. So FCMB, you would buy FCMB and target like, minimum of 25% upside. Now, why FCMB? FCMB stocks is not yet overbought and oversold. The fact of the matter is, due to FCMB report for last year, the result clearly shows that there's still room for them to grow core banking income. Now, it's safe to say that FCMB is still undervalued, relative to its peers. Number two, GTCO. Buy and target a minimum of 25% upside. Now, why GTCO? Well, according to Relative Strength Index, GTCO price does not fully reflect its earning strength yet. So it's still a good buy. There are other banking stocks that seem promising, especially if you're a long-term investor. Stocks like Access Corp, Fidelity Bank, UBA, Zenith, and Wema Bank. Now, these banks I've just mentioned have clear earning growth and clean balance sheets. In the consumer goods sector, Unilever, seem cheap for now. You could buy Unilever stock and target at least 25% returns. Other promising stocks, to buy in the consumer goods sectors are, Guinness, Nigeria Breweries, Nestle, and Nascon. The outlook for these stocks, is mildly bullish. Next is in the industrial goods sector. For the past 2 weeks now, I have been recommending Lafarge, Dangote Cement, and Boa Cement. The reason is simple. They are still a good buy because industrial stocks are stable and supported by ongoing construction and infrastructure demand. That's all I've got this week. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel and I'll catch you again by next week.